Hello and welcome to another In.It Apparel video. Today we'll be explaining what exactly our lead times are and what is happening while you're waiting for your order to be manufactured. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So lead times are the time that it takes from when your order is paid until when it gets shipped out to you. This means that your lead time starts at the date that payment is received, not the date that the order is placed. And it ends when we ship it out to you, so it does not include shipping time. So if it takes 3 days to ship to you, those 3 days are not included in our lead time. As soon as payment is received on our end, we immediately order the fabric required to manufacture your order. Now the time it takes the fabric to get to us can vary sometimes depending on the availability of the certain colors that you've ordered. Once fabric is received, your order gets put onto the production line where the fabric is cut and then sewn and then trimmed into a garment. And if your order requires any printing, it will then be put into the schedule and it will be printed as soon as manufacturing is done. After all of this is done, we'll notify you that your order is ready to be collected or we'll ship it out to you. Now this entire process can happen anywhere between 7 and 10 working days. And this is dependent on a couple of different factors, including but not limited to how long it takes the fabric to get to us, etc., etc. So when placing your order, we highly advise that you plan for the longest lead time, in other words 10 working days, as we can't always accurately predict exactly how long things will take. Unforeseen circumstances do crop up, so always plan for a 10 working day turnaround time and trust that we are doing our best to get it to you as soon as possible. Please subscribe to stay up to date with all things In.It Apparel in the future, and thank you so much for watching.